Some of the things that I love taking care of is my perfumes and my jewelry, and I want to share with you some of the organizers that I got for the bathroom that really changed my life, and I simply love them. Accessing my jewelry and perfume so easy. So I'm going to start with this first one, which is my everyday wooden jewelry organizer. It's a very nice display of my everyday items. It has enough room for bracelets, as you can see, for earrings that you can hang here and find easily, necklaces and rings and watch and whatnot. So this is something that I like to have here because it's so easy just to access and see what I'm wearing on a daily basis, and it's so easy to access. The second one that I really like, necklace ring organizer. First of all, the material is really nice. It's a lot of room. It has about 18 boxes, and they're big enough that you can put more than one thing. To be top of my list of the things that I like to use to organize my jewelry. It's the same one design, and it's really nice because you have like a little hook here. You can take it out, you put it in a box if you want to carry it with you around, and it really is nice for. Love the way they look. They are so nicely organized and they look really pretty. My perfume go, I do have this clear box that I like a lot. I organize all my essentials, the one that I use on a daily basis for different purposes, from my Givenchy Emerige, my Coco Chanel, and other ones as well. And it has this little clear drawer. This one is really cool to organize your items in a way that you can see them and they look super nice because it's clear and it's not overwhelming. These are the items that I have been using in my bathroom that completely changed my life in a sense of how I organize and access my jewelry and my perfume, and I hope you like them as well.